Are you still working manually in 2026? Then this video can literally save your hours every single day. Hello friend, this is Dr. Vikas, and today I am going to show you the best free AI tool of 2026 that student, content creators, IT professionals, and even business work owners are using right now. And yes, to use all these AI tools in 2026, you are not going to require any credit card. These are all free tools which you can use without paying a single rupee. So without wasting too much time, let's start with the AI tools of 2026 that you can use freely and save your time and increase your efficiency. So friends, so in today's video, I'm just going to show you what are these tools which you can use freely. And in upcoming videos, I will show you how you can use these tools practically by using each of the tools website. Okay. So I'm going to show you the 7 to 8 such AI tools. And on some of the tools, I have already made the detailed video that also I will show you. Whatever the remaining tools are there on that, I will make the video on the upcoming series. Okay. So let's start with the first tool. So first is very popular tool that is the ChatGPT, and all of you have must heard about this tool. So this is the first tool on our list. So these tools can work as a your personal assistant. It can work as your teacher, and you can use this to particular ChatGPT tool as a coder for your need. Okay. Now, as a personal assistant, in the sense like whatever question you are having, suppose you want to draft some email, you want to uh, redesign your resume. So for all that purpose, you can easily use the chat gpt. You can use it as a teacher in the sense like whatever when you are studying in the classroom, and when you are listening to your teacher, you always have doubts in your mind. So at that time you ask your doubt to your teachers. Okay. So similarly in this case you can ask your doubt to the chat gpt. Right? Chat gpt will give you the simplified answer for your doubts. So that is nothing but the chat gpt at the teacher role. Then you can code any language, requirement. You can do the coding, or you can just write some prompt and give it to the chat gpt, and chat gpt will give you the code for any kind of language. For example, if you are working in the data analytics field, then you always have to use the sql there. So chat gpt can write any kind of complex sql queries, it can write any python code, it can write any kind of c code, etc. Okay. So that is nothing but the very popular tool you must use whenever you need this kind of you need whenever you need this kind of particular requirement in your projects. Okay. So you can use it for writing emails, resume. You can use it for learning coding, interview preparation. Also, if you are a content creator, you can ask ChatGPT to write the YouTube script for you, as well as you can ask for the videos idea, and also you can use it for the thumbnail making, because ChatGPT will give you the very attractive thumbnail within a very short period of time. So already I have made the video on how to make the YouTube thumbnail using the ChatGPT that I will show you. Okay. Also, ChatGPT can explain you any complex topic in very simple language with real-time examples. So what you need to do, you just need to write the prompt and give it to the ChatGPT. Okay. So detailed video on how to use the ChatGPT. I will make the detailed video on the upcoming series. Okay. So if you are not using the ChatGPT in 2026, honestly, you are missing something. You are lagging behind your competitors, and you are spending too much of time. So my suggestion: start using the ChatGPT. Okay. Let's move towards the next tool, and next we have. So next tool, second tool we have, that is the Canva AI. So this is also the free tool, and this is the actually game changer tool for all the YouTube creators, like for all YouTubers, Instagram creators and the marketers, because so this tool can help you to create the attractive thumbnails, generate the social media post, design the presentation within a short period of time, and also it helps you to use the text to image features creation. So this is also the very useful tool in the 2026 and without paying any single rupees. So in order to use this tool, you don't need any kind of design skill. You just have to drag and drop and just your job is done. So this is the second tool, that is the Canva AI. Now let's move towards the third tool. So our third tool is the CapCut AI. So this CapCut AI is also the free tool, and if you want to edit the any kind of video, so this is nothing but the very beautiful tool for editing the video. So what kind of things you can do using the CapCut? So you can auto generate the captions in any kind of languages. You can remove the background with a single click. You can add the AI effects, transitions, etc. Also, you can edit any kind of shorts and reels very fastly using the CapCut AI tool. So this is also very beneficial for the YouTube creators, short creators, as well as the Instagram reels creators and the TikTok creators. So this is our third tool, that is the CapCut AI. Now fourth one, we have the ElevenLabs. This is also the free tier tool. And if you want a professional AI voiceovers without recording your own voice, then this is the tool you can use. Okay, so what exactly 11 labs help you? So 11 labs help you to generate the realistic human voice. So not like the other tools which is having the flavor of AI kind of personality, like robotic kind of personality. So that 11 labs helps you to generate the human like voices, not like the AI robot kind of voices. So this is like realistic feeling you can have using the 11 labs AI tool. Okay, so it can also create the narration of your videos. You can use the multiple voice styles like man, woman, etc. Okay, so this is great for the faceless YouTube channels and the explainer videos. So there are the YouTubers who don't want to show their face while making the video. Then 11 Labs is the perfect tool for all these guys. Okay, so this is also the very important tool. So regarding this, how to use the 11 Labs, I will make the video in the upcoming series. So for now, in the today's video, I am just giving you the what are the free tools which you can use in the 2026 year 2026 without paying a single amount of rupees. Okay. Now in that list, next we have the Perplexity AI tool. Now this tool is also helpful for the all the academicians, because this tool is just like the Google. Okay, but if you uh, if you have experience, whenever you are searching something on the Google used to give you the vast amount of information from different sources. Okay, but Perplexity tool is the one more step ahead of the Google. So it is the Google plus AI combined. So this gives you the direct answer, means exact answer you can get using the Perplexity tools. Also, along with the each answer, it shows the exact sources, and also it helps you to save your searching time. Because what happen when you are searching something on the Google always give you the various kind of sources, various kind of answer which are irrelevant. But Perplexity tool gives you the exact answer and the exact sources. So that is very important, and it can save you a lot of time. So this tool is very beneficial for the academicians, students, researchers, anyone who hate clicking the number of clicks and searching for their answers. So this is the fifth tool, that is the Perplexity AI. Okay. Now let's move toward the next tool, and next is the another important and very beneficial tool, that is the Remove.bg tool. So if you want to make any kind of changes in the image, if you want to make different kind of attractive thumbnails, and if you want to remove the background of your image, then this Remove.bg is the beneficial tool, and you can use it freely. So what kind of features this Remove.bg tool provides? So it helps you to remove the image background within a short period of time. So there is no need of using the Photoshop, buying the Photoshop license, and etc. So this is also the perfect tool for the YouTube thumbnail making as well as the poster making. So this is very simple and super powerful tool, Remove.bg. You can use it for to edit your thumbnails and the images. Okay, let's move towards the next tool. And next tool we have, that is the Leonardo AI tool. So this is also the free tool, and this is also the helps you to generate the different kind of AI images. Okay, so you can generate the various kind of AI images freely using this tool. Also, you can create the different thumbnails. Also, you can design the posters, banners, etc. So whatever the things we were doing in the past by paying some amount of money for license tool, that same operation we can do using the Leonardo AI tool without paying a single amount of money. So this is very beneficial tool and it is very helpful. So how to use it, I will demonstrate this in the upcoming video. Okay. The next bonus tool we have, that is nothing but the Notion AI tool. So Notion AI tool generally helps you to take the meeting notes, content calendars, as well as it helps you to track your project progress. So this is the one tool which can we use generally for taking the meeting notes. Like whenever having the meetings manually, we have to write on the pad and the notebook and keep the notes of the meeting. But using this tool, the it easily helps you to make the notes of your meetings as well as the content calendars and the project tracking. So this is the one more tool that we can try. Then next bonus tool we have, that is the Gamma AI tool. So you know Gamma AI tool generally used for the automatic PPT preparation. Now using this tool, you can prepare your PPT within a 2 minutes, less than 2 minutes, I will say. So you have to just give your topics, or if you have the point related with the topics, just give this point to your Gamma AI tool, and it will automatically prepare the PPT for you within a very short amount of time. So regarding the Gamma AI tool, how to make the PPT, I have already made the video on this. So if you go to my channel, that is the Individual Technical Solution, and you can easily find, I have already made the videos on how to use the Gamma tool. Okay, so if you just go to my channel and type there Gamma, so here you can see I have already made how to make the PPT within a very less amount of time using the Gamma AI tool. Okay, here I have shown, I have demonstrated how you can use these tools to generate the PPT. Okay. Also, I have already made the video on how to make the uh, thumbnails using the ChatGPT. Okay, so here you can also watch this video, and you will get the clear idea how to make the thumbnail within a very short amount of time using the ChatGPT. And friends, this makes the particular thumbnails uh, within a very short amount of time and very attractive, and with the whatever size you need. Okay, so this also video you can watch. You will get the idea how to use the chat GPT for making the presentation. Okay, so that's it, friends, from today's video. So today we discuss the different AI tools which you can use freely in the 2026 without paying single amount of money. So first we have studied the chat GPT tool, then Canva AI, then CapCut AI, ElevenLabs, then Perplexity AI, Remove.bg, and uh, Leonardo tool. And then also we studied the two bonus tools. One is the Notion AI, and another is the Gamma AI. Okay. So I hope, friends, you have got the idea how to use, which are the tools are there in the market which you can use freely. So regarding the details of this tool, I will be making the video in the coming series. So that's it for today's video. If you all like this video, please share it with your friends and colleagues and subscribe to the channel. Okay. Thanks all of you.